What's going on, bitches? I am back again with another one, and today I have boots for you guys. Boots, sneaker boots, Nike boots, and look at this huge box. Wow, man, this shit is huge. I keep reading Nike Moana Leather SE, but it says Nike Manoa. Now these are called the Nike Manoa Leather SEs, and the official colorway to this is black Gunsmoke. Now I got these in my shooter size, and here it is. Here are the boots themselves. Now the boots are definitely very nice. The collar is very well padded. The materials seem very well made. Just very dusty for some reason. It seems like this entire sneaker is made from like one panel of leather, but then the swoosh is like embossed from underneath, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's very well made. The quality is nice. You have what I believe to be reflective laces. I believe they are reflective laces. I'm not entirely sure yet. I will let you guys know. They seem reflective to me. I don't know, but I will definitely keep you guys updated on that. These seem to be very light in hand, and I think that will come handy when you start wearing these throughout the day. You know, obviously you don't want to walk around in the heavy boots. Okay, but there are certain boots that I know are just too heavy, and it just becomes uncomfortable, man. It feels like you're dragging the boots along with you every time you take another step. I mean, Nike really thought about everything here. As you can see, these boots will definitely be waterproof, and I can definitely see myself wearing these because, like I just mentioned, they are very light and the quality is definitely there. It's just a no-brainer, and the price I got these for, man, if I told you the price, I think you guys will be jealous. But I got this from Nike directly on a Nike app, and these were for £69. I mean, I think for a boot like this, it's cheap enough, being that it is all leather. The quality, you definitely can't go wrong with these, especially at the reduced price. If you can cop, it's a no-brainer. I'm telling you guys, it is a no-brainer. I mean, if you're in the market for some boots, I think these should be on your list. But anyways, guys, let's carry on with on feet. Now on feet, as I mentioned earlier, these are very comfortable, indeed, light and comfortable at the same time. I mean, what I love about these is that the sock liner, it's very soft and plush, well padded, and these just add to the comfort, in my opinion. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely a boot that you should consider if you're looking for one. I wouldn't skip on these, you know. I mean, it has the looks. At the moment it has a very low price tag for what it is, you know, for what you're getting. Considering that Air Force Ones are like 120 right now. It's just crazy. It's crazy to me. I don't know. So we cannot skip this video without a crease test. And here it is. And surprisingly, I don't know how, I don't know why, but these do not seem to crease. And I've tried literally everything. I've bent my toes as far as I could. I stood there for quite a while as well, but no, there's just no creasing. I mean, these just hold up crazy, man. Every time I crease them and I look at them back, there's just nothing. It hasn't creased. There's no evidence of any sort of creasing, nothing at all. I don't know how that's possible, but these are, I'm starting to like these, man. You know, I might just keep them. I don't know. Um, do I sell them on or do I keep them? I don't know, man. I'm starting to like them quite a bit now, because of the quality, the materials, and the fact that they don't crease. I mean, how is that even possible? Man, I wish they would have made some Air Force Ones like this. Now that would be a game changer right there, you know, like imagine Air Force One with the same toe box, obviously in white. I mean, what are you looking for in a pair of boots? So you're looking for comfort, waterproof, it needs to have good traction, durable, it has to be durable. And I think this sort of like checks all the boxes. You definitely can't go wrong with these, especially at the reduced price. But anyways, guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions, do let me know below, and I will see you on the next one.